Cryptex, guys, amazing return, 220% profit. Our order just get filled at $3.20. I shared this trade in the private list right here, November 9. We bought this coin for 98 cents and put a order up here. Daily resistance, guys, $3.20. Before, how I find this pump? I got a volume spike right here on October 28. I got a volume spike again here, October 31 first. It's all about to track the volume, guys. Why I put my sell order right here? Because right here is a daily resistance. Let's go to a daily chart. Right there. You see right here, daily resistance. Whenever we find the pump, we use a daily resistance to put our target to sell price, okay? Trades I share in the private list the last 3 days are Apricot Finance, Hero Chain, Cryptex Finance, Solanium, guys. 565% profit today. Take a look at this. We buy low before the pump to sell up high. All you do is to track the volume spike plus buyer power. One more example here, Solanium, exactly the same strategy, guys. Take a look at this. 185% profit today. I shared this trade in the private list right here on November 8. We bought this coin for 5 cents. It put us order up here. Daily resistance again, 50 cents. 191%. We trade crypto members made 185% profit today. Take a look at this. Daily resistance. One more time. Daily, right there. You see? That is the resistance, that is the price target. If you like to get those trades in real time, guys, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. Also, I will let you know when you should buy Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys, because we track the volume 24/7, 7 days a week. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.